Hey, come on, let's go. Just make a rush. Just run really fast. Or not.
You got legs for a reason, use them.
Hey, oh.
Here comes Snoopy.
Drop the water bottle.
Oh, man down, man down.
No, Jimmy!
Why are we rescuing a water bottle?
Because we can.
Oh! No!
Because we can.
You're so young!
It's okay.
You're so young!
See that? Oh man.
Is yours the one that dropped?
Yeah, it's gonna cause a problem. Sir, you're under arrest. Please step into the vehicle.
Hold on, you're.
He has a gun.
Step into the vehicle, sir.
I have a bigger gun.
I don't care.
Mine don't go through your plates.
Technically, my 45 is bigger than your 5.56.
But mine will go through your plates because it's moving at higher velocity.
Okay, no problem there.
No problem there.
What are we doing? Step in the vehicle first, sir. Step into the vehicle. Do not resist arrest.
You have the right to remain
silent. You have a right to attorney.
This can and will be used against you in the court of law. If you do not afford attorney,
killing
one will
was
be
me.
appointed to you. Wait, deputy, did we forget to take his weapons?
We did.
Oh shit.
I think we should. No, that's awkward.
Oh, no.
That's awkward.
Shut the door.
Okay.
Hey, go, go, guys, stay down, stay down!
Tactical. Airsoft in part 3. Oh god, I gotta take it. Oh, that Taco Bell's not agreeing with me. Observe your correct Taliban stance.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, jihadi style. You know it.
Hey, this is Dan, aka RWM number 54, and I'll be showing you guys my... I was so close. Hey, this is Dan, aka RWM number 54, and I'll be showing you guys today my 2015 DMR loadout. What? What did I do wrong? 2016. Shit. Time change. Hey now, you're a rock star. Hey guys, this is Dan, aka AK-47, AK shit for brain. I'm actually crying.
Oh, hey there. Allow me to introduce you to Daniel. Not only is Daniel our designated DMR, he is also the best singer/dancer out of our entire group. Observe.
1 is the loneliest number that there'll ever be. 2 can be as bad as 1. Break it down now, y'all. I'll probably have to edit over some music. This is why white people don't dance. I'm gonna go jump out this window real quick.
Damn, Daniel.
I'm on a boat. I don't know how the rest of that song goes.
Matt,
right before it does.
you know more about what's happening right now.
I do.
Come on, man.
I don't care. I'm just okay.
You're out.
If it was me, my bad.
Oh, really? Yeah, if a BB hits you, you're out. I had no idea. I thought you had to squeeze my nose.
We're hunting rabbits.
We're gonna go be some jihadis.
The adventures of Jihadi John. Let us go kill some infidels. Currently, we are engaged with the enemy forces. Show us your tactics.
I go like this, I shoot above shoulder.
Oxbear has got this flank covered. Oh, I loved your boots. Are they from 100% goat leather?
Yes.
Oh, they're looking very sexy.
It used to be my wife.
Oh, that is disturbing. I leave now. This guy is weird. Oh, no, he didn't. Round 2. Let us do this. Are you ready, brother Hakim? He is ready. They would never take our goats. Infidels. We kill you. We kill you. We kill you.
Wait, Durka.
What?
Be quiet.
What do you say, Durga then?
They are coming. The giveaway are...
Brother Hakim, what is your position? We must be very stealthy. If we make too much noise, the infidels will find us. Shit. Brother, what happened to you? Oh my god. He's down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Check if he has any money.
You are a cool terrorist. I do not care what the Americans.
You don't even know me, bro. Okay, insurgents. New plan. What is new plan? New plan. We shoot at the bad guys, yelling as loud as we can.
Okay.
Oh, this work. This work every time, I promise. Durka, Dan, this is not working. Did you kill the entire building of infidels?
I did.
Oh no! Our first technique worked. We killed a building full of infidels.
Very strong.
Quick, take selfie.
Okay, now let's go back to jihadi.
Okay.